Jazari Steel is proud to be the only company in Pakistan specializing in space-frame steel structures. In this video, we showcase our work on the Noir Marquee geodesic dome, from design and fabrication to final installation. Every step is executed with precision and expertise. A geodesic dome is a spherical structure made up of interconnected triangles, offering incredible strength with minimal material. Its unique geometry evenly distributes stress, making it both lightweight and extremely durable. Geodesic domes are ideal for commercial spaces, exhibition halls, greenhouses, and architectural landmarks due to their energy efficiency, structural integrity, and striking appearance. Space frame structures like these allow for wide, column-free spaces, quick assembly, and long-term performance, making them the smart choice for modern construction. At Jazari Steel, we build more than structures, we build the future of design.